Today, your topic is computerization causing unemployment? So, computer were a luxury and were only used by very few large organizations when they were initially introduced. But with progress and the value placed on time by people today, the computer is the need of our hour and has become a necessity of everyone's life. However, people who are not computer literate tend to suffer as they are unable to use computers and thus are the victims of unemployment. So you have to start your group discussion.
In the today's world of digitalization, computer work on the computer is increasing day by day. People wants to do work more easy and in the more cheaper way. So the using of computer decreases the need of people day by day.
Yes,
Yeah,
my
you
friend,
have
I
a good
agree with
point
you. In the digital
in current.
area, at the today the at
Yes,
AI technology is increasing day by day, and it's provide a better facilities for all the people. But the second hand, it's make unemployment for who the needs.
Yes,
I
friend, I am
agree with
agree
you,
with you.
friends,
As we
but
know that in Corona time, people from the computer we work at home through the computer and they
yes,
employment increase through the computer.
Yes, I agree with you, my friend. Computer was invented by the Blaise Pascal in 19 and India introduced by computer in India. Computer was started by Rajiv Gandhi in 1984, and after this the use of computer is increasing day by day, and it's a big cause of unemployment in
Yes,
society.
yeah,
We all know that computer is a small
computer
part
use
of
in
a
our
big group.
surrounded area. Everyone people are use the computer, and we can see in the our school education, in the hospitalization, they are all use the computer, and we are going in the 21st century, and it's a digitalization to work. We are in a easy way.
Yes, my friend, I may agree with you. In my opinion, computer does not increase unemployment. As we seen that people who are not interested to go outside for the work, then they can do work by sitting their home.
Yes, I agree with you, friends. But computer has increases the human machines, but no humans work outside the computer.
Yes, my
Yes,
friend,
I-
I agree with your point. As we know that today is the age of technology, and we are said that machines would take the place of humans. So computer is also playing a various great role in taking this.
Yes,
I
I
agree
agree
with
with
you.
my friend. According to ICMR report, 60% people are facing obesity who are working in computer. So it's a big cause.
Yes,
we all know that
computers are
computer is
increasing
a
unemployment
small part
because-
of a big group named technology. And in current, computer play an important role in human life.
Yes, friend, I am
and
agree.
directly affect the employment in many field. Computer take place the human and its effect.
If you study about the developing countries like China, you see that they have very good advanced technology because they get new technology of computer very earlier than compared to our country. So it also help in developing country very fast.
Yes,
my dear friend,
as you know that
computers
now
are
we are living in
increasing
the science
unemployment
of science
because-
era. So technology is most important for the development of a country because India is a developing country. So to the developed country, it is most necessary to use technology.
Yes,
Yes,
my
I
dear
agree
friend,
with
man
you.
who past have a Increasing computer for their unemployment luxury because life, but earlier man that of work- today is a computer is necessity for all of them. A computer can done a work which can be done by 10 people. So it is a very good.
I agree with my friend. Firstly, in the former time, if you want to send an email or a letter, then there is a requirement of a postman for the every email. But now the increasing the use of the computer day by day, there is no requirement of the people. We can send our postal, our letters directly through the computer.
Yes,
I
yes,
agree
yes, I
with
agree with you, my
computers are
friend. But
increasing
we see that
unemployment because we
computer
can
is
see
make a
that
difference between.
that work was done by 10 people. Nowadays, in today's time, that work would be done in one person. Then
Yes, my
it is
friend,
increasing
I may
agree with unemployment. Computer is a very essential machine of life. It saves our work energy and time. As we seen that in both sectors, that is public or private sector, computer has plays a vital role in our life. As we can now booking online e-tickets through computer.
Yes, yes, my dear friend, but computer make a difference
poor and
between.
people, poor and rich people, because they people who cannot afford a computer and they cannot work on computer.
Yes, I agree with you, my friend. In the present time scenario, we see that many people who are lives in urban areas they are easily used computer for their study, but in rural area many children are facing these type of problems. So it's a great difference between poor and rich.
Yeah,
Yes,
I agree
sir,
with that.
I
Good
agree
point,
with
my
that.
friend. Computer makes
computer increase the employment because a lot of things like computer basic like programming and web design, it is a chance to where employment because there are a lot of people who are increasing the technology background, so they are employment
Yes, my friend, I agree with your point. Not only the PC or laptops are computer, every machine that has its own intelligence can be known as computer, and we are surrounded by all type of machines. In this time of corona pandemic, we have to know that work from home has been employed, and it is only possible due to computers.
Yes,
Right,
my
right,
friend,
right,
the
right,
people who
right,
are
right,
working in the
right,
MSME
right,
sector
right,
are not
with the
able
help
to sell their items on the online delivery, but the rich people who are running the large companies only able to sell the products online.
Yes, my
So
dear
that
friend.
this is the very bad effect facing by the MSME sector.
Yes, my dear friend, I agree with you. In ancient time, we have seen that the student have to form offline form. So it take very more time, and many times they will not get update about their requirement.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
in
Yes,
present
maybe
time,
you
there are
are-
lots of but in present time we have lots of facility. Means we with the help of computer we easily fill our form online.
Yes, yes, my dear friend, I agree with you.
we all know that
My
computer
friend
makes
says
our
that
life
machines make our life simple, but we know that today we are shortest of our life. According to report of WHO, your age is average age is decreased day by day. After computerization, our average age is 60 years, but now your age is only 57 years average age.
Yes, my dear friend, I agree with you, but depends on us how we make use of it.
Device we can use many works for a computer,
Yes, I am.
and it
You-
will be good.
Yes,
you
I
have a
also
good
said-
point, my
you
friend.
also
Chess
said
number
that-
8. You said that a big effect on MSME people's computer makes our life easy, but at in small sector computer makes an employment because poor people don't know about how to use the computer, so computer directly affect the.
I agree with my friend. In the automobile
Type of
industry
smart
also, where many thousands of the people and many lakhs of the people are working. So in the now today's world, robotics are used to make the automobile like a car, vehicle, and then the other vehicles and gadgets.
Yes, my
So
dear
this increases the unemployment between the automobile industry.
Yes,
Yes,
my
but
dear
I
friend,
agree with the
many
other countries like China,
companies-
America, they have very advanced technology, and because of the help of this computer and robotics, they will develop their country very fast.
Yes,
So
right.
it also became necessary for our country to developing. So we have to
Yes,
take
my friend
advantage
also
of that.
said that in the previous point, the computerization is decrease the age of the person. But I am told your information. The Japan, the country is always the peak of the digitalization, and but they have also a good live a good age because they also make a balance in the health and the digitalization.
Yes,
I
yes, I
agree with
really
you.
appreciate with my friend. My friend says that computer is a very essential part for our life. But we all know that every country has different infrastructure. In the India, we have a lot of agriculture country, not a digital country. Or digitalization is after that Japan. So our situation is different from.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. As you see that
Technology
for
play a
humans
vital role
it
in
is
our
impossible
society
to
because-
it is impossible to store a large number of data.
Yes,
Then
madam.
this is the computer that any country can store its data about its information, that any kind of
I
information.
agree with my friend that the
Yeah,
computer
my
is used in the digitalization, and computer have many benefits. But the major problem is we are discussing that the unemployment is a major factor that it decreases the jobs and it reduces the jobs of many people.
Yes, friend,
Yes, my dear friend, I agree. According to a survey in Australia, computer increase the unemployment approx 1,50,000. But a computer give the jobs only of 7,000 people. So and the second hand computer are the cheaper than human beings. So most of companies and directors prefer computer work.
I
Yes,
agree
I
with
agree
my
with
friend
you.
said that
Computer is necessary in our life because-
developed countries like America and USA develop through computers, but in India we have a large number of population, and that is not possible for digitalization, and we can face a problem of unemployment due to computer.
I agree with my friend. In India, many places where electricity not access and electricity rate is very low. This is a big obstacle for.
Yes,
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 I agree
yes,
with you,
I
but
agree
present
with my
time
friend. My
we
friend
have seen-
says.
If
Yes,
you
I
don't use this
appreciate with
computer,
my friend, but we know that cybercrime is a biggest issue in front of the world. We see that Gothic Panda and Stone Panda is the two intelligence of China, they are tracked the data job over military and over red tapeism. So it's a big obstacle in the present time.
I agree with you, my friend. In ancient times, people do hard work to complete their work, but nowadays computer takes the place, and it is an example of smart work.
I agree with my friend. India is the population in the very large agriculture sector. Mostly of the Indian people are doing the agriculture. So before it, the mechanization, they used to work in the farms and they used to work in the field and they get their wages, daily wages. But after the increasing the machinery by the computer and digital platform, so they are not getting their basic
As we know that technology play a vital role in our society because digitalization is a most important part of society, and it is a necessary thing because computerizing is a helping of the people. After computerized, people need the skills. Computer operating computer, it's requirement of people, large of people. That's why it's a increase the employment.
Yes, my dear friend, as we all know that computer technology decrease the numbers of lagu and minors and small industrial corporations. So it is the bad effect. It make bad effect on a country GDP.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. Through the computerization, we can increase the produce and increase the employment also.
Yes, I agree with you. Computer is not only important for developing a country, it is also important to provide computer education to children also, because if children have computer knowledge, then they will in future they will operate all the system very easily also.
Yes, my friend, I agree with your point. As my friend said that in rural areas the people doesn't have enough knowledge about computers, but nowadays government is providing free computer courses to rural areas people such as RSCIT.
I agree with you, friend. We can the help of computers we can increase the production of goods, but we cannot remove unemployment.
Yes, I agree with you.
It is very harmful for our eyes and it creates many diseases in our body.
I agree.
How we make use of it.
The foreign companies and foreign industries are also working and selling their goods in the India. So this decreases our GDP and we are not able to buy our goods, self-made goods, and sometimes many times the rate of the unemployment and the rate of the working people increasing by the computer is very low than the rate of the working people decreasing and the employment causes by the computer.
Yes, I agree with you.
Nowadays,
digitalization.
Friends, if we see the computer role in education, then if we want to take admission in any university, there we cannot afford the cost of hostel and tuition fees, then we can get our opportunity at home by computer.
What is the conclusion now?
After the group discussion, conclusion that computer technology is better, makes better future our life, but in other hand it's increase the unemployment, and that's what very bad things for the country.
Now going through the conclusion of the group discussion, computer is, we all know the computer have the many benefits, like it saves our money, it saves our time, and it is very good for the student. They are getting their studies in the good way, but the main cause is it's increasing the unemployment. So if the government wants to increase the computer sector and make the digitalization, so the government should provide other option for the people, so they get their money and they get their wages for their life.
After analyze all the point of view, I conclude that on the one hand, computer is very beneficial for us. It helps in developing a country very fast, because as you know, our neighboring country like China, Japan, they have used new technology and computer, because in every new technology computer is very important. But on the other hand, it also causes unemployment in country. So if our government will educate it mainly cause unemployment in rural area peoples. If our government provide education to rural areas people, then we also get job.
The conclusion of group discussion is computer has a lots of benefit, but it's directly affect the unemployment. So government should take step to aware the rural areas people to know about the computer. This is good for the unemployed.
Now I'm going to conclude our group discussion. The topic is unemployment through the computer. Not only computer create unemployment, because when computer we create employment also, because many sectors through the computer develop more and increase job and increase production also. So not only create unemployment through the computer.
In my conclusion, as we know that computer is making our life easy day by day, and we are surrounded by various type of machines and computers nowadays. But a great scientist has said that computer works on artificial intelligence, and whenever this intelligence will be more intelligent than man, then this will be hazardous for mankind.
After
Yes.
group discussion, the conclusion is that computers uses in many sectors like education, agriculture, and business. And it is a multitasking device for us, but it is causes a unemployment in our country because we have a large number of population.
After the group discussion, I conclude that digitalization is become now necessary for the development of a country, but on the other hand, it also increase the unemployment of the country. So the government should take care of the second hand of the.
And
After
after
the group
conclusion,
discussion,
our
the
group-
conclusion-
our group reached a decision that computer education is a boon of a country. If we are living in 21st century and we competed with other countries, so we should have a knowledge of computer education. But in India, it has a different role, because India is a agriculture country and many people have know about computer education, and it's a big cause of unemployment in India, because many people who are living in urban area easily use computer, but they are living in rural area, they can't use the computer, and it's a big obstacle in front of India.
I am
Okay,
conclude
gentlemen,
the
thank you very much for the group discussion, or wish you a bright future.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.